How's it going? I'm Matthew Perry and I'm here to help you upgrade your life by making tech simple. So it's that time of year where the latest smartphones are being announced and released, and you have to make the tough decision as to whether to upgrade or not to upgrade. Today we're going to be unboxing the Pixel 5 and I'm going to be giving you my first impressions of this phone. Let's get into it. Green. So the Pixel 5 released alongside the Pixel 4a 5G. The Pixel 5 priced at $599 British sterling, and Pixel 4a 5G priced at $499. So in the box, what can we find? You'll find the Pixel 5, your USB-C charger with a detachable cable, USB-C to A adapter for easy migration from your old phone, a SIM tray tool to transfer your SIM cards, and a quick start guide. Stay hydrated. When I first picked up the phone, I immediately noticed it was much lighter. I was moving from a Pixel 4 XL, which admittedly is a slightly larger phone, but because of the materials they've used and the size of the phone itself, it's much lighter, which I definitely appreciate. Let's listen into this. That gives you an idea as to the kind of texture that's on the back. First of all, it's an aluminium unibody, so it's one single piece of aluminium, and they've coated it with a bioresin which enables the wireless charging. Now the result of the resin means that it gives it this kind of recycled cardboard texture, which isn't inherently bad. It does feel less premium. It's kind of like a greeny blue, sort of almost aqua colour, and then on the side you have your power switch and volume rocker. Looking at the front, as you can see here, it has a symmetrical bezel all the way around, making full use of that screen real estate, which is really nice, makes for a good viewing experience on videos. And then you've got your camera, which is set in the corner. So they've completely done away with a notch. Coming from a Pixel 4 XL, this is something I can really appreciate. Granted, some applications aren't really using the extra space up here, but it's just nice to have this full screen. It makes it feel like a flagship products, despite some of the materials that have been used. In terms of securing your device, the Pixel 4 XL had the Soli integration, which allowed for gesture controls and face unlock. They did away with that in this edition of the Pixel. Instead, you have your standard on-screen unlock features, but you have the return of the fingerprint sensor. I think this placement personally is the absolute best place, because you got to think when you're picking your phone up, you're typically, especially out of a pocket, let's say, you're picking up like this, your finger quite naturally rests there, and it's highly responsive, as you can see. So let's see if we can demo this now. There we go. I find the Pixel experience to be pretty seamless. You power it on and you can use the USB adapter to migrate all of your data from your old phone to your new phone, including apps, photos, videos, music. So out of the box, the Pixel comes with Android 11, which is the latest version. Obviously the main benefit of using a Google Pixel is that you know you're going to receive the latest Android software. And what I especially like is there's no bloatware. So there you have it. That's the Pixel 5. My question to you is, what new tech are you thinking about buying? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it one of these. Click or tap subscribe and enable notifications to make sure you don't miss out on any of my future videos on tech, travel and my experiences in IT.